आई जस्ट होप वी आर कॉम्पिटेंट इनफ। मतलब इतना लोग वेट कर रहे हैं, मुझे डर लगता है कहीं गालियां ना दें बाद में कि ये क्या बना दिया, या सीजन 2 तो अच्छा और अच्छा होना चाहिए था और समथिंग। दिस वन टाइम आई गॉट इमोशनल। हम किसी सेट पे शूट कर रहे थे और वहां आई रिमेंबर आई शॉट अ सीन विद विक्रांत। तो वो मेरा भाई प्ले करता है, बबलू पंडित हिज नेम वाज, एंड ही डाइज इन सीजन 1। एंड सो मुझे बहुत अजीब सा लगा उस वक्त, इवन दो इट्स अ फेक मेमोरी, राइट, इट्स अ मेमोरी ऑफ ए शो, but that was enough to trigger my brain to get emotional about it. So you don't hand in one mobile phone to 5-year-old. As parents, we have to be responsible that our kids are not watching stuff that is meant for adults. I'm being a little more careful on the Indian front. I have to be. मेरे पुराने बहुत पाप हो चुके हैं।
Hi Ali, how are you doing?
I'm good. I'm good. Trying to keep up with the with Zoom
I
call
know.
views.
This year has been quite difficult with almost everything coming to a standstill because of the pandemic. There's also been a personal loss. Personally and professionally, how would you define this year?
It's been hard. It's been. I mean, I think I'm just glad that something like Mirzapur is coming out right now, and it's going to be hopefully a healthy distraction from all the madness that we've been experiencing. I think it's been just a bad year for everybody. I don't want to take any center stage on it, but yeah, personally, it's been a heavy loss. I think I just been on autopilot, yeah. Maybe process it in good time.
Mirzapur, of course, is being hailed as one of the biggest shows ever. It's being touted as the Bahubali of the web.
Oh God.
Did you expect the kind of response that the first season got?
Oh God, I did not. None of us did, I think. We knew we were working on something interesting, but it was a very hard thing to pull off, and it depended a lot on the characters and the way the characters were portrayed. People weren't sure if I was going to be able to do something like this because, we constantly are usually cast for our images and for what we have done before.
Right.
So I think that was a welcome change for me as an actor, to be able to showcase. There are so many universes that are living inside us all, right? And I think it's just about when somebody can explore that for you. तो मजा आया, मतलब I think it's been a good time, and I think the fans have kept us relevant for so long now, I think.
Right. Yeah, and everyone's waiting for season two with bated breath. What can we expect this time around?
आई जस्ट होप वी आर कॉम्पिटेंट इनफ। मतलब इतना लोग वेट कर रहे हैं, मुझे डर लगता है कहीं गालियां ना दें बाद में कि ये क्या बना दिया, या सीजन 2 तो अच्छा होना चाहिए था और समथिंग। आई थिंक दैट फियर इज ऑलवेज देयर, बट यस, इट्स ड्यू, एंड काफी डिले भी हो गया था बिकॉज ऑफ द पैंडेमिक, बट वी ग्लैड, वी सो हैप्पी, वी ब्रिंगिंग इट इन अ बहुत ही शुभ महीने में ला रहे हैं। मेरी बर्थडे का एक ये प्यारा सा एक भेंट है।
Right.
So I feel very lucky.
Do you feel there's a sort of pressure because often when the second season or third season of another previously very famous web series comes out, there's a certain pressure on the actors, to deliver. Do you feel that?
I mean, yeah, of course. I think because we started the shoot of season 2 later, like even just last year, September, October,
Mm.
August, we finished the shoot. So yes, that pressure is there. But I think Gurmeet and Puneet, Puneet Krishna, the creator, and Gurmeet and Mihir, the two directors of our show, we were focusing on what the job was and not worrying about all these pressures. I think there's enough pressure on a Mirzapur set because we are in such heavy scenes and such we're always on set, shooting outdoors and everything. It just gets quite hectic. You don't have a chance to think of all that.
Like you just said, it's very heavy, the scenes and all that you shoot. So often there are certain things that remain etched in our memory, while shooting or while watching it later. Was there any such moment in season two?
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. I think it's also interesting because as an actor, when you're shooting for a new movie or a new something, you only play off from what the script is, right? What the script is giving you. But here, luckily, we had a memory of things that already happened in the past.
Mm-hmm.
So that really helped. But I remember, sometimes I used to get, this one time I got emotional because हम किसी सेट पे शूट कर रहे थे और वहां I remember I shot a scene with Vikrant. तो वो मेरा भाई प्ले करता है, बबलू पंडित his name was, and he dies in season 1. And so मुझे बहुत अजीब सा लगा उस वक्त, and it was very out of body experience. But then I just stopped. I said, listen, stop getting emo, do the damn scene. I tell myself, and I said, then we carried on. But it's amazing how things work, even though it's a fake memory, right? It's a memory of a show, a cinematic experience in my head, but that was enough to trigger my brain to get emotional about it. So yeah,
Seriously, oh.
it's just we go through all kinds of emotions on sets. Yeah, it's just we are all very vulnerable people.
Right, absolutely. I can totally imagine. Also the last scene of season one was so epic. Like it was one of the most dramatic scenes. What was the vibe like on that day? What was it like on set?
Well, I think it was very quiet. We were all very quiet. I think we were just, I don't know. I remember because I usually listen to music. I have this bad habit of creating a playlist of every time I do a project. I just create a playlist that I usually associate with. तो वो मैं सुनता रहता हूँ. तो उसी में मैं तो क्वाइट था ही, बट मुझे बाद में पता चला सब लोग चुप थे उस दिन. थोड़ा heavy day था, I think, for actors also. It was performance heavy, and there were long takes and everything.
So, in the first season, we saw you like in a never before seen avatar. How do you think your character has developed in the second season?
I mean, it's a particular choice that I've made. Like I've said this before in an interview, that uh, people are different, right? We come out very different sometimes from tragedies that occur in our lives. In this case, his entire family is wiped out in front of his eyes. So, uh, I mean, a large part of it. So, you could turn into one crazy man. मतलब पागल खाने भी जा सकते हो आप, दूर भी भाग सकते हो आप, कुछ और मतलब different things happen. So we took a choice, we made a choice, and you'll see a very mature side to this show. But of course, we've kept the flavor of Mirzapur. We've it's the same people, so you can't suddenly turn into something different. But yeah, it's emotion heavy.
Considering that Mirzapur is one of these lawless towns of Uttar Pradesh, even though this is a fictitious account, do you feel like with the things happening in the country, it is somewhere, in fact, like a dark reality?
I wouldn't compare it to anything like that, but these are stories that have been, not, I mean, have come from somebody's brain
Right.
with certain references. But again, it's a fictitious story. It's a fictitious land that we've created. मतलब मिर्जापुर तो बहुत शांत शहर है, तो ऐसा ऐसा नहीं है. लेकिन वो तो हर जगह हो रहा है. आई थिंक हमारे देश में, पूरी दुनिया में भी हो रहा है. हर जगह
Right.
कुछ ना कुछ गड़बड़ी हो रही है.
Yeah.
So hopefully, we hope that at least this show becomes a little welcome distraction from all the social media madness that we've been witnessing. And
Absolutely.
yeah, and I think the entire country would be tuned in.
Absolutely, absolutely. Talking about social media, how do you keep yourself sane from everything that's happening?
I think work, yeah. Honestly, we are artists, and we have to, as much as, we have a voice of our own, we have to be focused on how to use that, how to use our craft to be able to tell and change mindsets,
Right.
and bring things out in the public. I think this year has been horrible for our farmers, for our working class, for so many technicians in our own industry who've lost jobs. I'd rather talk about that. I'm so proud of this little animation film that I worked upon. It's called Tasveer.
Right.
Ashutosh Pathak made, and I'm sorry I keep talking about it everywhere, because I think it's such a relevant piece made, and I'm never been so proud of anything I've done.
Last time, you had spoken about how kids holding guns tagged you as Guddu Bhaiya on Instagram, and it really saddened you in the first season. Do you feel like things will change anytime soon, where people just watch content for as a source of entertainment and not get influenced by it?
I think it's not the influence, it's the nazariya. It's
Yeah.
how we at home are being responsible citizens, right? When there was a
Right.
pandemic, we were told ki bhai, you have to stay inside, because you will infect yourself and you will infect the others. right? So same way we have to be responsible when we're watching. As parents, we have to be responsible that our kids are not watching stuff that is meant for adults. You know,
Absolutely.
you don't hand in one mobile phone to five year olds and say, they have their own Insta accounts and all those other social media platforms. मतलब तो फिर वो corruption वहीं से शुरू हो जाता है. So yeah, I think as a
Yes.
society, I think education is what's more important, most
Right.
important right now. Yeah.
Absolutely agree. Totally, totally.
Yeah, there should be like a cyber education for everybody, from छोटे से ऊपर तक, literally, I'm telling you, yeah.
Yes. Ali, coming to your Hollywood flick, Death on the Nile, your director, Kenneth, had some amazing things to say about you and your work ethic. He also said that you were really popular amongst the cast. What was it like working, on a film with such an amazing set of people?
Amazing, amazing. I think it was a really cool party every day because it was like 8 of us, and all 8, sort of suspects in the movie. So it was fun. Yeah, it was a lot of learning, and I met like legends. Yeah, I mean Annette Bening was on set, so मैं तो मतलब ऐसे मोहब्बत में आधे दिन ऐसे झूमता रहता था. Of course, Gal was there, and an Army Hammer I've met before. I've known him from one other. I think we'd met for a tribute that we'd done for Judy Dench once
Mhm.
together. But otherwise, the rest of the cast was the first time. Russell Brand and all these people, they've been really kind. I think Kenneth as a director has been very. Um, he's interesting to work with because he's also an actor, so he understands you very well.
Right.
You're very comfortable. So yeah.
What would you say was your most memorable moment on that set?
I just made a lot of people dance on something. Yeah.
On Bollywood tracks?
मुझे तो कीड़ा रहता है उन चीजों का. मैं तो तो मैंने वो ही किया. और but no, otherwise we're just sharing stories. I think it's just such a very volatile time in the world also for everybody that we were just sharing notes from both sides, all
Wonderful
sides,
cultural exchange.
full on.
Awesome. You probably have friends all over the globe now. So after Judy Dench, did anyone else make it to your mango list?
No, that's exclusively for Judy Dench. That's it's my God, that's my dame.
Any other friendships that you have established?
These are friendships, at the end of the day. It's अगर मैं यहाँ बैठ के मतलब उसकी चर्चा करूंगा तो सोचेगा कि क्या है भाई, ये दोस्ती है कि खुलासा है. I'm very proud of my friendships. I guess I'll keep them as that. Yeah.
And Ali, you've pleasantly surprised us with web series, Hindi movies, English films, or Hollywood flick. What else can we see you in next?
मतलब one at a time, but hopefully there are 2 projects, one here, one there. Both I'm doing. I'm starting shoot on something day after. I wish I could talk more about it, but वो थोड़ा हाँ. Also यहाँ Amazon काट देगा ये पूरा.
Oh, please don't.
मजाक कर रहा हूँ, but lots. I mean, things are happening, but I think I'm being a little more careful on the Indian front. I have to be. मेरे पुराने बहुत पाप हो चुके हैं.
But you want to be here and there at the same time. You're not going to leave us and go there, will you?
Never, यार. This is home. मतलब ये मेरा दिल यहाँ है. And I think it's a great time for actors and great content is being made. So, and it's one world now. If I have something there, I can travel, shoot it, come back. It's not like I have to. Of course,
Right.
one day life takes me. And I'm maybe buying a home somewhere, or I don't know. I like a lot of places, but हूँ तो मैं यहीं का ना बनाऊंगा मैं यहाँ रुकूंगा नहीं. So you'll have to put up with me.
Talking about your Dil being here, fans had been eagerly waiting to see you tie the knot with Richa this year. And you guys have given people serious relationship goals. How would you say she's impacted your life?
Oh, I'm a fan. It started like that, I think, to begin with. So I'll keep it at that. That might help me, sort of stay with her for long, as long as I'm that. But no, it's pushed, yeah. I think this year has been not the greatest. And I think we're just waiting for anything without 20 and 20 in it. So, abhi ke liye Mirzapur, I think I'm hoping it carries it all the way to 2021. And then you'll see some celebrations, hopefully.
Definitely. Looking forward to it, Ali. All the best for Mirzapur and hope to see you soon. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Baba. Thank you. So nice talking to you.
See you, Mira.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.